In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile color in Asana. If you're looking to personalize your account and want your profile to reflect more of your unique style, you're in the right place. I'll be guiding you through the entire process, step by step, making it super easy and quick. All you'll need is an internet connection and a device to access the Asana website. First, let's head over to the Asana website by opening your preferred web browser. Once there, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can sign into your Asana account. If you're like most people and have a Google account, click on Continue with Google. This method is not only secure but also convenient if you frequently use Google for other services. Once you choose this option, simply select the Google account you'd like to use to log in. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one linked to your Asana profile. After logging in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the Asana dashboard, where you'll find the profile icon. Clicking on it will bring up your personal profile page. This is where we're going to make those exciting changes. Next, we need to locate and click on the Edit Profile option. This will open up a new interface that allows you to customize various aspects of your profile, including the profile picture. Once you're in the profile editing mode, look for the option labeled Upload Your Photo. This is where you can upload a picture with your desired color theme. When you click Upload Your Photo, a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. This is the point where you'll want to have the picture you've chosen ready to go. Take a moment to browse through your files and select the photo that perfectly captures the color you're aiming to showcase on your profile. Once you've found it, select the image and upload it to Asana. And there you go. You've successfully changed your profile color in Asana. Not only does this little customization help in personalizing your workspace, but it can also make managing tasks more engaging and enjoyable. Feel free to experiment with different photos and colors until you find the one that truly fits your personality or work mood. Thanks for following along with this guide. We hope you enjoy your newly personalized Asana profile.